A message to Igbo governors, especially Governor Charles Chukwuma Nwangbafo Soludo, the executive governor of Anambra State. But this message will all combination. This message will to Igbo Southeastern governors. Dear Southeastern governors, actually ihe na-eme na Oyo State taa ala Yoruba wee na-agwụ n'okwu, because as we are seeing it in Oyo, some people are doing this and some people are crying over it and some people are celebrating it somehow because na omebe na ala Igbo today. But actually biko, although not make small what is happening there not make small, but actually especially Soludo, Nekpoko, ndị dibia na ndị fake pastors na-ekpoja na court. It is not bad for a governor is natural is sanitize some certain things, but the truth is that only good governance na Igbo or na Nigeria, everybody are benefiting from government. The government in a favor the poor masses. Onwe do onye gonna buy to the fake miracle or fake prophecy of these native doctors and the pastors or whatever they are called. Onwe anybody that will be patronizing them, because everybody will be busy. When things are okay, nobody will be patronizing their practice and the things will sanitize itself. So Bikon, let us focus more on security at this point. Some of these Southeast governors name me about security, but we have to do more. These fake native doctors and the pastors or dibias, they are not our problem for now. They should not be the center of consideration, the area of consideration. This ndi obuma, ndi nto, ndi nekpo osisi na akpu efi na achi efi n'ime ọhịa. Ndị abundo anyị focus to tighten our security, to tighten security in Igbo land, because they are definitely coming. Ma question mahanabia. These people are coming. Oh, they are coming. In fact, has around the gang allegedly, but it is happening outside now. It is as if na or man na Igbo or something. Mana, I know that most of you are doing something about it, but we need to do more. We need to tighten our security more. We need to equip our local vigilantes. That is why we are saying that the worst mistake Southeastern governors made na Igbo Ibuso Nnamdi Kanu aya that year 2017. Manama obucharo the fault of this present administration. Obucharo their fault because they are not there as of then. Na this present administration, no people like Alex Oti on that time, at that kind 2017, that in mere no Nnamdi Kanu aga ime that attack emere oga ime amanaga kota Nnamdi Kanu negotiate with them and adopt Eastern Security Network and as a general security na Igbo gane chekobe ndi Igbo. Where many people did bad na that Eastern Security Network at this the same way aging way bad people na police manami manobro all of them. So Bikon, it is time I ain't got tightening our security na Igbo. I'm somebody like Governor Peter Ndubi Simba. You are doing something about it, which I know I'm aware of, but we do need to do more. It is not enough, because what is coming with kita. Some people got seen an election. It is not all about election. Who know for condition ndi ofe manu before a release ndi atoro ndi ụmụakwụkwọ na ndi nkuzi atoro na ala ha. These people are coming. The agenda bu Islamic agenda, so that can tinye Sharia law in our law. These people are coming. There is urgent need to tighten our security. Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, Obro native doctor na pastor, Obro Hanwa should be area of concentration. Peter Ndubi Simba, there is need for you to do more. You are doing already. Now Amani train go some people up on the forest guard, but do more. Equip even our local vigilante. Each community should have tight security, tight vigilante that you should equip everybody. Because it is very, very important. The only thing that gave birth to somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that year is because now the past administration of Igbo governors neglected the people too much. But I'm sure with what I'm seeing, that this present one are not ready to do that. But the past administration neglected us too much. That is why Fulani killings too much in those one. Yana Nimbo, Enugu State. I can never forget that one. What of Ebonyi State? What of Imo State? Because there is urgent need to do more. Makwaro na maro no obu na enwe that kind vacancy with that time. Then you will force somebody like Nnamdi Kanu to rise again na Igbo, because somebody must definitely do something about, if anything happens, somebody must rise to do something. Ya ka nji wee like ndị Igbo, maka na ndị Igbo anara okenye na-anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ogbere. Somebody will definitely rise up and do something. And the thing they put a problem now, somebody rise up, make something now after ibu day and after you want to downgrade the person and then take the glory. That is where the problem comes from. Omandima Otwahu. Obuna the killing of ndị Igbo in the year 1967. Obuna Ade Egbundi Igbo. Somebody like Ojukwu will not rise up to declare Biafra. And maka Ububa Nebundi Igbo Ojukwu jiwe declare Biafra. And maka the same thing ka somebody like Nnamdi Kanu jiwe bine na 2021 na 2019 we create a Eastern Security Network. Ndị Igbo, something has to be done. Igbo governors, unu say na Eastern Security Network the evil. Kita, we are depending on you people. We are believing on you people to protect us. Obukwa nu na lakura kuura onu na the helpless like the past administrations, like people like Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State. Onu ne keep you akunu tight, that your hands are tight. People will rise up and do something. Ayama rapa align kebusi sign align we take over our land. People will rise up and do something. Bikon. Hapu minor something now, minor thing now name. Iji wee kpoko ndị dibia, kpoko ndị native dog, kpoko ndị pastor. Ihe kante ga-abịakwutekwe nte n'ọnụ. All this minor something, I see it as distraction, because same way good governance that everybody are benefiting from. Nobody will be buying to fake miracle. Nobody will be patronizing fake miracle and fake native doctor. Create a very good system that everybody, even the poor and the rich, will benefit from it. Thank you.